everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are going to get this braids out because they are really see, my hair is out and it really feels dry and it's very difficult to keep moisturizing in this because they keep getting puffy and there's not a time for me to be using mousse, and using mousse and then moisturizing would just be creating so much buildup for me. And I'm saying me because there are a lot of people that don't moisturize as much as I do and their hair is totally fine. And I'm sorry for the noise, like it just stopped raining, so everybody's coming out from their houses, opening their shops and all that. So yes, here are my braids looking all musty, crusty. You know, the hair is like shining through. You know, knotless braids and other kind of braids where your hair is tucked in. So we are going to be talking about the pros and cons. The pro is kind of like a lot more but I feel like the con is like heavy, you know, like the pro could be 100 and the con would just be 2, but then the con is kind of like risks benefits kind of high. A mixture of conditioner and all that, because this is not the braid I tag in. I have a lot of braids, like, so this is going to take real long. So yeah, so I'm gonna like put the spritz on the length of the hair, then we unbraid. Okay, so the first pro for knotless, I'm really sorry for the noises, like I can't control those ones. So my first pro is there is literally almost to no pain. Like it's not like the knot one that they, like, I don't know how they do it, but it's so painful when you're on the chair. Like this one, like there is literally no pain. There is no pain, like unless the time when they are holding your hair. After they just finish the 1 2, no pain. Like there is literally no pain, so painless. Like after they do your braids and everything, you can shake it, you can hold it up, you can put it in whatever style you want to put it in, and they will be looking fabulous. But you can sleep well, there will be no pain, none of that stuff. So that's kind of like a very huge plus. The next pro I can talk about it is very lightweight. It's so light, it's like super light. I'm one person that doesn't like big braids, and big braids, I don't mean afro twist. Afro twist hair is really light, but I don't like big box braids. If I get big box braids, I'll remove it in 3 weeks time or in a month's time, you know. It weighs on my head and causes my head to like really ache. I like big hair, but I don't like big box braids, so I use extensions. So it's like I don't usually get them because they're really heavy and my hair's really thin, so it causes so much pressure, so much weight on the hair, and that causes, you know, headaches and all those things. So our third pro, aside pro, is that you save more money because you use less hair. Like this hair that is on my head, you think, for me, this hair that is on my head, if I was doing it the normal way, I would have used more than 3. I would have used 3 and something, because that's just my hair. I usually use like 5 braiding heads for the normal ones. Yes, so use like 3 for this hair. I would have used like 3.5 or something, because I have a lot of hair on my head. My hair is not thick, my hair is not big, but I have a lot of hair strands, so when they're braiding my hair, I have a lot of like but because I was doing knotless, I used only 2, which was kind of like nice because I have a lot of strands on my hair. I really don't know where I'll finish this. Like it's lightweight, it's, you save more money because you use less hair. You can literally do anything with it. It's not heavy, it's very extremely light. Yeah, and the pain is like reduced. Like the pain is extremely reduced. Well, the cons, what I can say is it doesn't last long. Like look at this. For someone like me, knotless braids might not be my thing because it just doesn't last long. Do you get what I mean? Like this doesn't last long. See the freeze, and it's just 1 month 2 weeks. It doesn't get it doesn't last long for, I mean, natural hair. I'm guessing if you have natural hair, you know that it won't last long. Or if you have hair like me, you know that it won't last long because it just won't last long. Like, your hair is not tucked in, but it's used with the extensions to braid your hair. So you know what I mean. The thing is, I'll get this again because it's so light, you can literally do anything with it. But this time I'll get it long. I should have gotten it long the first time so that I won't get it again. But then for the first and second week, I wasn't like doing anything to my hair. I wasn't moisturizing. I was just like oiling my scalp. That's what I was doing, and the hair was fine. Immediately I moisturized my hair in the braids, it started getting frizzy. So if you're natural and you planning on getting knotless braids, just know that it might not be your cup of tea if you want to keep it for a very long time, you know. But I feel like if you get the long ones, there are ways to make the frizz not necessarily show a lot. So that's another reason why I like long hair. Then again, I'm not a short braids kind of person, so if it wasn't frizzy, I would probably have removed it either ways. Just because it's short. So I'll remove this and come and show you guys what my hair looks like after being out of braids. So yeah, it's the next day, and yeah, what happened? So I came back around 5:45, and I continued doing the braids till like 12, a little past 12 midnight. So it's a while, and yeah, I started again at 6 and I ended at 7. So I've removed all the hair, and here we are. We are here. So another thing is, another pro, okay, I don't know if for me, if I do braids for about like 3 months, no way, I mean like a month or 6 weeks or 7 weeks, like that, I don't get dirt under my scalp, so I can't say anything about that. But you know, when you get the normal braids, the extension at the roots of your hair, like you need to kind of like forcefully remove it. That doesn't happen here. This base is seamless because it starts with your own hair. So that's kind of like a pro. A con, removing this is so much harder. And yeah, another con is that removing it, you have to be extremely careful because the extensions are combined with your hair. So if you don't take care, you might be getting a lot of knots and all that. Yes, another thing is, I think I'm losing way more hair than I would normally have gotten if it was my normal braids, because this is like 6-7 months, like come on, really. And this is just what I was able to catch, or I've been able to catch whilst removing the hair. The one on the floor would have a lot more hair, or more hair like my hair, so I have technically lost like ×2 of this. And I know like hair sheds normally, but this is 6 months, and I've gotten, the longest I've kept a braid for will be 6 months. I mean, this is 6-7 weeks. The longest I've kept a braid for would be 6 months, and I don't think I haven't got like that much, you know, excess shedding or whatever. So this is just something else. Like I don't know if it's for all hair kinds, but my hair, or if it's for natural hair people, but my hair, I got a lot of breakage. And I got a lot of breakage. So that's a con for me. I know my pros and my cons are like all over the place, but then yeah, that's it. That comes to the end of this video. I hope you guys took something from it. I hope you can try knotless braids. Like, I would really advise people to try it because it's really not effortless, but it's painless, it's weightless, you know, all those things. The problem just comes with your hair, so it also depends on the kind of natural or relaxed hair that you have, I guess, or like what's your standard of treating your hair is. You know, everybody has their own thing. Like, people wash their hair once a month. I wash my hair every week. People wash their hair twice a month, every 2 weeks. People co-wash and every week, and then wash their hair once a month. So it depends on the kind of like routine you have, I guess. But then for knotless braids, I feel like you can keep knotless braids for a month and it will still look fine depending on what you do to your hair. So yeah, I really recommend people to get it. I'll get the long one next. I don't know why I went for short hair, but I'll get the long one next. And yes, thank you for watching this video. Hope you have a lovely day. Hope you have a nice day. Hope you got something from it. Have you tried Knotless braid before? If you have, comment in the comment section. If you're not yet subscribed, do hit that subscribe button and join the farm. And yeah, have a lovely day. Bye.